Here's another sneak peek of some items I have purchased today from Just My Look, which is a really cheap website for makeup and other items. So this is some items that I will be trying out. So the first thing is, it's Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. And this is in the shade number 10. Catrice Liquid Camouflage number 10. Looks pretty dark, hopefully it isn't. The next is a Collection Gorgeous Glow Shimmer Brick Bronzer. It's in the shade number 2, Bronzing Block. That's by Collection. There's another one from Collection. Gorgeous Glow Shimmer Brick. To be honest with you, the two of them look exactly the same. In the shade number 2, Bronzing Block. So I don't know why they would have sent me two of them. Been looking forward to this. Revolution Skin Silk Luminous Serum Foundation in the shade F6. There's Hyaluronic Peptide Complex, whatever that means. Really looking forward to trying this. Hopefully it does wonders for the skin. This is a new one out. Then I've got a lipstick from Essence. Vegan Collagen Lipstick in the shade Kieran Shine 203. My advice. Then we've got the Air Blush Matte by Catrice in the shade 120 Berry Breeze. Then we have a Plumping Lip Liner by Catrice again, and it's in the shade Cheers to Life 060, which is kind of like a reddy brown, it looks. Next, Essence Easy Brush Liner in the shade Black. Hopefully I haven't got this one, but I have a funny feeling I already have. But it's a good one anyway. If I have, it's fine. Then we have these individual lashes that I've never ever tried before. You get them in different styles. You get Salon System, Black Long, and then even longer by the looks of it. So, thickens and lengthens lashes, and long, they are really quite long. And then I bought myself a little Essence makeup and baking sponge. Never tried these, so hopefully it'll be okay. You can try it out and see what we think. So there you have it. That's all the items that I have purchased today. I'm going to lay them out and show you again.